Okay, I'm Al, and
Soon to be 90, right?
Yeah, I'm 89, be 90 in January, January 2nd. And so went for about 3 years. I walk every morning, but at that time I was walking for an hour every morning. And then I got to where it hurt when I'm walking. And that's when I went, he said, you got bone on bone. So he gave me a cortisone shot. And it worked for a while. And we had the surgery. And
Well, now you have good motion, so I mean, I think that's a good point. You know, you put in the work, and like what's the old saying, right? The harder I work, luckier I get.
Yeah, that's right.
So
yeah.
So I mean, that's what it's all about. So
I played golf last week twice, and you told me that I don't think it was a scientific study, but
no, it was actually.
Was it?
They've actually done a study. What did I tell you?
Yeah, you can add 7 strokes to your score.
Yep, that's on average. It's a gain of 7 strokes. You know, right after a knee replacement.
So I'm supposed to play golf with my brother in Pennsylvania next week. So I went to practice, and I called him, and I took 7 strokes before I started. I called him up and I said, I'm doing pretty good. I had a 42. Actually,
Well,
it
that's
was 49.
awesome.
Yeah.
That's great.
So for my age, I'm doing quite pretty well. Real happy. Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, it's a privilege to work with you, man. Thank you so much.
You bet.
know, and
Yeah,
now you
you.
go live your life and just call me if you have a problem. All right. So
we're going
Yep. How's that feel on the knee, man? You look great. All right, go play some golf. Thank you.